distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and fellow artists, we're gathered here today to celebrate the power of creation and to examine the countless opportunities it offers for the future. Our imagination illuminates the path in this dynamic environment, guiding us through difficulties and revealing the extraordinary. The spark that lights our imagination on fire and moves us onward is creativity. It is the engine that propels innovation and advancement. We must embrace our creative potential as we approach a new period in order to use it to create a future that is lively, inclusive, and rife with unending chances. Dreamers, visionaries, and artists have been those who have challenged norms and pushed boundaries throughout history. They have ventured to dream up things that appeared inconceivable and have made their dreams come true. Creativity has been the driving force behind the transformation of our world. Whether it is through the strokes of illustrious painters, the melodies of legendary musicians, the words of motivational writers, or the discoveries of great scientists. However, let's not limit inventiveness to just the arts. It permeates every element of who we are, from how we approach challenges to how we form social networks. It is the core of entrepreneurship, what propels technological development, and what drives societal transformation. Our ability to question the status quo, perceive the world through fresh eyes, and imagine an unwritten future are all made possible by our creativity. We have unmatched chances to work together, share ideas, and co-create in our fast-paced, connected world. The digital sphere has expanded into a wide canvas where minds from all over the world congregate, exchanging ideas and encouraging group creation. Platforms like YouTube have thrived in this collaborative and open-minded environment, fostering a global community of producers who inspire, inform, and amuse. We explore the world of artificial intelligence and its significant effects on our lives on channels like Involved AI, a place for creativity and innovation. Through our stories, we set out on a quest to solve the puzzles, discover the possibilities, and accept the difficulties that lie ahead. We shall travel through the complex future together, propelled by our common curiosity and limitless imagination. So I'm inviting each and every one of you to come along on this amazing journey. Join the conversation that will impact the future by giving our channel a like and subscribing. Because it will lead us to a society that is not just technologically sophisticated, but also profoundly human, caring, and enhanced by the power of our collective imagination. Let's cultivate our creativity. It's important to keep in mind that in a world where change is constant, it will be our ingenuity that will enable us to welcome the future with open arms. Together, let's dream big, innovate fearlessly, and forge a future beyond our wildest dreams. Thank you, and let's start exploring our creative side.